Automate your repetitive work with Power B2B. Power B2B is empowered with the power of artificial intelligence, which will help you reduce most of your repetitive work, and it will also ensure that you are not missing any of your key activities. As a first use case, let us see how the Power B2B can automatically record all your sales inquiries and notify you to ensure that you are responding to it without a miss. Scenario 1. You are receiving an email from an unknown person or company. The name of the person here is Kenley Stewart, and he belongs to a fictitious organization called American Hardware Company, and he is requesting you to provide a quotation. He has referred to your existing product code from your price list or website, but he has also added few items for which he is not aware of your product code. He composes his email in a format which is comfortable to him and sends the email to a contact person in your organization. Here we are sending it to my own email ID for the demonstration purpose. As we have mentioned in our scenario, neither Kenley Stewart nor his company American Hardware Company are known to the organization, and they are new. So, let us first verify if American Hardware Company is existing in our account list or not. Now let us check if Kenley Stewart is an existing contact or not. We found that both the company and contact are not existing in our system. Let us come back to our scenario. Now that Kenley is pressing the send button in his email utility, and the mail is being sent to our ID. Once we receive the mail in our email inbox, the AI system of the Power B2B starts its action. It will take a few seconds for the automation to complete his analysis, and it will work in the background and create the Sales Enquiry document, and will post a Teams message to the Sales Enquiry Teams group for which you can have as many members as you want. Now if we open our Power B2B application and navigate to the Sales Enquiry menu, you will be able to view the newly created inquiry with mode marked as AUT, meaning it is created automatically. If you see the list of items, if the system is able to find the product code, it will automatically update it. Else it will keep it as blank for manual intervention. You can update all the fields which are not included in the email and save the inquiry document as final for further processing. In addition to reading the email and creating the inquiry document, the system also ensures that the email you have received is stored against the inquiry as an email activity, so that the reference is always accessible without any difficulty. Now let us see how the system has handled the new customer and its contact information. Let us open the Accounts menu and search for any company whose name starts with America. We found the newly added account, which is not complete as we know only its name, and you will find Kenley already added as a contact under American Hardware Company. You may need to fill all other information before submitting the quotation if the inquiry is relevant. You may wonder, is there any restriction on how the email message need to be formatted? Let us clarify that. Now that Kenley has become a friend, he is requesting for the price for few more items in a very informal way. In his message, there is no table to define product code, description, or quantity. Let us see how the system is handling this. Kenley is now sending his email with unstructured information, and we receive the email in few seconds. Without any issue, the Power B2B intelligent automation understands the inquiry requirements and creates the inquiry. Few seconds is what it all takes to process the information and send the notification. We can open the inquiry to verify the information and complete any data if missing. The automation is not limited to inquiry document, but we can do the similar kind of automation for quotation, orders, and invoices. And we can extend this intelligence for customer complaints and other key processes as needed. Please contact us for further information and for a detailed demo.